In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Temu affiliate. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to their official website and you want to sign into your account. And whenever you've done that, scroll down to the very bottom of their website. And then here on the left, it's going to say company info. And under that, affiliate and influencer program, join to earn. So click on that. And then you're going to have two options. The first one is the Temu Influencer Program, and the second one is Temu Affiliate Program. So to become a Temu affiliate, click on Join to Earn just below this Temu Affiliate Program. And when you do that, you'll have to basically select your role. You could either be individual affiliate, where you can basically monetize your group or channel or personal influence with easy process, or you can basically be an agency partner over here, where you can monetize your platform, website, or app's traffic via tailored partnerships. So of course, select the one that's relevant for you. Usually, most people will go with this first one, so just click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to go to the process. So the first thing is you'll have to select your channel type. So this could be either social groups or coupons and basically deals sites over here. If for example, let's say you have like a Discord group, you could go to social groups and select over here, but of course select the one that's relevant to you. Then when you've done that, you'll have to confirm that you have reviewed this policy and then the privacy policy. So make sure you do read these two before you actually proceed. And when you read these, if you agree with them, click on next over here. And here you basically will have to put in your email. So this is basically where you just type in your email address they can reach out to. So if I really quickly just go ahead and use mine, really quickly, there we go. Okay, so if I put this in here at gmail.com, okay, so that's my email. And then you want to go to submit here. Of course, you can receive marketing if you want to. You want to press submit. And then the second step here, it's going to say your account has been approved, and then account verification. You can go ahead and click on start now, and there we go. It's going to take you into their affiliate portal over here, and this is where you can basically go ahead and get started. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.